Hi, ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of citizenship. The position or status of being a citizen of a particular country. For example, the refugees could be granted dual citizenship. American pronunciation. Citizenship. Citizenship. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. Citizenship. Say. Citizenship. Citizenship means position or status of being citizen of particular country. Citizenship. Citizenship. Practice. Listen to what I say, then pause the video and repeat after me. Train your brain to master this word. Let's begin. The first practice. Dual citizenship is supported and recognized as acceptable in this country. Now, repeat after me. Dual citizenship is supported and recognized as acceptable in this country. The second practice. Citizenship of the Union shall complement and not replace national citizenship. Now, repeat after me. Citizenship of the Union shall complement and not replace national citizenship.
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.